everyone, welcome to Eunice's Kitchen. Today I want to share with you a recipe from my Italian grandma. When my grandma made it for me for the first time, I loved it. So let's start now. First, remove the skin of the chicken leg. Of course, you also can choose chicken breast or chicken thigh. Second, add a pinch of salt and black pepper and vegetable oil to the two sides of the chicken leg and massage it well. Leave it aside for 10 minutes. At this time, we can add some salt into the flour. After that, stir egg well. When all this stuff ready, then coat the chicken leg with egg and flour and roll it in the breadcrumbs. After that, heat the oil with medium heat and fry the chicken leg for 3 to 4 minutes on each side till it turns golden brown. You can see the chicken leg looks so crispy and the smell is so fantastic. Now, at this time, pour the marinara sauce into the baking pan. Then, add the crispy chicken leg and combine with the Parmesan. The last step, preheat the oven and then bake chicken leg for 10 to 12 minutes with 350 degrees. I hope you enjoy the wonderful fragrance of this delicious meal. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.